Okay, guys, today is the 12th day of our coding challenge using mobile phone. And our task for today is going to be show or hide password. So right now, let's search for our SPCK. Then this is our previous code. Let's close it. So after we close, we have to create a new file, .js. So right now, let's alert. And we are going to load that our JavaScript. So we are going to link it with our HTML. So if we alert, we now have high. Now let's go and get rid of this. And here we are going to say we should start creating our input and the other elements that we need for this work. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to say const I'm going to say container. And container is going to be document dot create element. And our element we are going to create is a div element. After we create our element, we are going to append it to the body. So we are going to say document dot body dot append child and we are appending this container to the body. So after this, we are going to create more things. I'm going to pause this so that after I came back, then I'll show you all the style and everything we have created. See you when I'm back. Okay, guys, welcome back. So as you can see, I already created the container. So if you watch, you can see that the document body appended to the child, and we give it a little bit style. We created the H2, and we have input. After that, we have this P. This P, I just do it so that the P and the button and the password don't overlap. You know that the P take all the space in the HTML. So if you have done HTML practice, you understand what I mean. Yeah. So right now, if you watch, you can see how it look like. But in case I take away this P that I created here, if I take them away, you can see what's happening. You can see they all just did like that. But I don't want them to be aligned horizontal. I need them to be aligned vertical. So that's why I created this P here. So as you can see how it separates them. Okay, guys. Now let's start working on making sure that the button, once we click on this button, it is working perfectly. So to do that, let's come over here and let's just take this button and we can just create a function dot add event listener, and it's going to listen to click event and comma. Then we can just say button click, or as a button click phone. So here right now, we can just create a function with it. We can just say const, auto click, and we have an arrow function. Then you can just do it this way, and we are going to say, we are going to call this input. But before this, let's alert something. To see if it's working. So once I click this function, you can see it is working. And then there is something we have to do. If I'm typing on this input, you can see that it is showing our text. So we really need to add this password. We are going to make it so that it will be looking like password. Understand? So we are going to hash it. And to do that, we are just going to come here that we have input. And let me come before I append it and just say input dot type. And this type is going to be equals to password. So here right now, if we are typing right now, it is going to be showing asterisk. So let me type. So you can see it is hashing it. It is making sure that everything we are typing is becoming hash. So the goal here is to make sure that once we click here, it is going to give us it is going to show the password. So right now, let's come over here, and we are just going to, since we are going to toggle it, we are just going to say if this guy, if input.type is equals to password, then we have to change it. As if input.password is .type equals to password, then we change it to text. Else, they are changing this back to password. I hope you understand. So this is just a simple calculation. There is nothing much. You are just to check if input.type is equals to password, then we are going to change it to input.text. That means if this is true, we are changing it to text. If it is false, then we are bringing it back to password, and it will be toggling it. So instead of we just call it a button click, we are just going to say button toggle phone. So that I think that will make sense. Button toggle phone. Copy this one here and replace it with this one here, over here. Now let's see if it will work. We are going to click this to see whether it will work. And before that, we have to type something. So that, let me just say what we are going to type. Let's just type hello 1 2 3. Now let's click and see. You can see we are now seeing it. And if I click again, it is not hiding. But normally it's supposed to hide. So let's change this one to password. And change this one to text. So let's see what's going to have. Why? Oh, sorry guys. You know why? The reason this doesn't work is that we don't check if statement with just one single with just one single equal. We have to do double equal or strict equal. That is a triple equal. So we are going to just do it this way. Then I believe this will work this time around. So if you just say hey, hello 1 2 3, let's click. Now you can see we have it. We have it over here. Hello 1 2 3. And if I click again, it's hide. If I click, it will open. If I click, it will show. Okay, guys, that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Ciao.